All right, last one, and
You
this
got
is
it.
a workhorse, tack cloth.
Exactly.
You got one right here.
Yep.
Now, this one is, what is that size, 17 or 11?
No, that's about 9.5 inches by 18, and it is also a premium polyester product. It's knitted with a proprietary design. It's called our honeycomb knit. It's the only tack cloth that's automotive approved with a design such as this, and
Okay.
it enables the operator to pick up surface particulate at every which direction. So a lot of the times when you're coming across a high grade tack cloth, you're going to see basically just an up and down, north, south, east, west knitting pattern.
Okay.
This one is honeycomb, so like I was saying, regardless of what direction you're wiping in to remove surface debris, you're going to pick it up, but more importantly, you're going to hold it into the polyester fibers with this product.
Yeah, I've never seen a tack cloth that was stretchy like this one. This one has a little bit of stretch to it.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of give. Yeah, and there's a reason for that too, because a lot of the wiping applications come across like a sharp edge, and we want something that's going to have a little bit of give and pull. If it's too tight, you're gonna fray. You know what I mean? Even with a little bit of pressure. So it's got some hold up, but not enough to where it's not gonna split.
Now, I can feel it. It's tacky.
Yeah, very much so.
Obviously, tack wipe is used to move across the surface and pick up lint or dust or anything that's in the way.
Yep.
What is used for the tack?
Well, it's a proprietary wax, and it's embedded into the polyester fibers, and really the way it's engineered is that anything it touches, it's gonna pick up and hold, and it's gonna absorb into the material.
Now, if you're somebody that's doing liquid or powder coating that has washed apart, it's been a little while, the afternoon, and now you're getting into the paint booth. Mm-hmm. Is it okay to wipe that part down with this? Because I know that traditionally waxes, silicones, things like that can cause issues.
Yeah, so if it's a wet surface, unlike the other products we were talking about, this is a product you kind of want to stay away from. This is only a dry surface.
Right, that's what I'm talking about. Like something that's come out of the cure process, or not cure, the dry off oven. And it's cooled down for a while, and it just didn't get into the booth fast enough.
Sure.
I'm not a big fan of leaving things just laying around the plant and then picking them up and throwing them in the booth and spraying them.
Yeah.
Because there's a high probability it's got dust
and
contaminants on it, which cause defects in the paint.
Exactly.
So if that part is room temp, it's been sitting there a while, we need to pull it into the booth. We don't really want to wash it again because we just did.
Yep.
This would be the ideal product
to
wipe that down with, and it's not going to leave a wax residue.
It's not going to leave a wax residue. Now, we offer this product in a few different tack levels. It comes in an ultralight, a light, a medium, and if the customer specifies, we can do a heavy as well. So really this product is all dependent on how they want to use it and what they're doing with it.
And what sizes are standard? I know I've dealt with other vendors and the sizing can go nuts.
Yeah. I mean, we've got a few different sizes. We've got a 9x9, which is obviously our smallest.
Half of this.
Yeah, we've got a 9x12. And then we have a 9x18. So, they all come at different price points. Whatever price point matches the customer's demand, along with the tack level, ultralight, medium, or heavy. We've got something for everybody.
So let me ask you this: how are they using this? Is somebody doing this on the line, and getting it to where they might have a panel that they're wiping down with, and then they switch, and then they switch. And they keep working down, or maybe they start here.
Yeah.
you know.
Well, it's all based on the customer's budget and how they want to use their product. You know, we always say...
You hope somebody's like,
we always
I'm going to take this and go one wipe and
believe
away.
Me, that happens a lot where in major manufacturing, high volume stuff, they'll basically wipe it once and just throw it away.
They're like, if I use it again, I'll contaminate.
Exactly. So it's all kind of specific on where their budget is. But
I mean, at a minimum, something like this.
Yeah.
At a minimum. Do it like this, and you have 4 sides.
Well, even one more fold too.
Yeah.
So
and
that's
then
kind of
you have 8.
Exactly.
You know.
Yeah.
You're able to use, and then turn it inside out and do the 4 all over again.
So I mean, when we get into a customer that's price sensitive, which most of them are, we can get in there, you know, and teach the customer how to use it, how to maximize their efficiency.
Yep.
And that goes a long way because you're looking out for the best interest in them, and you know. But yeah, there's many different ways, and it's almost like every application kind of has their own specialized fold too. So you know, it's funny when we're looking at major automotive, like Toyota's got a fold, and then you know Honda's got a fold. So it's quite bizarre.
Somebody's
used to doing something some way, and it's been kind of embedded in their process, and it's been spec'd in. So that's the way it is. But we always like to try to, you know, save our customers, you know, money and teach them the right way to kind of go about using these products, and in doing so, looking out for their ultimate best interest.